What's up, YouTube? What's up, TikTok? Good to be here with you guys. I mean, very key level that we're at right here. Let me just adjust this thing here. All right, lock in, you guys. What's up? What's up? What's up? Very key level that we're kind of rejecting here. If you want to see the chart, TikTok, you can see on my screen where it is. Can you guys hear music on YouTube now? What up, Shibby? So, you know, very key level here that I would definitely like to buy above, right? I think that's a very reasonable thing to say. What's up, you guys? What is up? What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Yeah, very key level I would love to buy above. I'm doing amazing. Better than I deserve. Thank you for the gifts over there on TikTok. Making money on multiple platforms over here. Oh, Shibby, you got trapped. I was going to say that to you guys. Don't get cooked here, because everyone, and I'm telling you, there is so many retail traders right now watching this going, like everyone wants a piece of this move. Gold's not going to make it easy for you, bro. So a lot of retail have been trapped here, and let's just see what's up. What up, Sylvia? I've got a lot of one-on-ones with a lot of you guys very soon, actually. Oh, Pez, you got cooked there? I mean, there really wasn't a setup just yet. Like this small candle that broke above. Nah. You know what I mean? It's unfortunate a couple of you guys got cooked there. Did you guys all get nerfed? Did you guys all get nerfed there? Hey Daniel, is this the way to avoid TikTok bans? Because yeah, I've just stopped. Yeah, I can't be bothered with it anymore, fair value guy. Yeah, I can't be bothered with the TikTok bans anymore, so I'll just do it like this probably. I'm not trying to get banned, it's just, yeah. Oh, you didn't get nerfed? Okay, nice. Shibby, you got nerfed at the door. Damn. We learned patience with UG. Yes. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. I'd rather not take a trade than lose a trade. It's detected that your live didn't appear on your screen for 2 minutes. Hey, bro. They zoomed in so they could make it a big enough. That's so good. Yeah, huge breakout. That is fucking hilarious. Oh, that's one way, I guess. I guess that is one way. Gold's a mess. Yeah, gold's just kind of ranging within this channel. Right, it's just ranging. We talked about it today on the Asia stream, which is, you're going to start to understand that like these markets have a heartbeat, right? Very repetitive behavior. Big drop, next day, consolidation. Let it cook up, right? Let the seasoning be sizzled on this bitch. This is just a steak cooking up right now. And it's getting ready to be put on a plate and eaten. But right now, you know, we're just ranging in this cooks. We're still on the grill right now. We're still on the grill. And I think in this London session, we could be favored here. What was all that laugh in the voice? Huh? Oh. Oh, you guys had a good call there? Nice. Yeah, I seen you guys cooking up in the mentorship there. I love seeing it. Yeah, I love seeing you guys in the calls there together. It's good when you guys do that together without me there as well, and you guys can bounce off each other and, you know, make the educated decisions together because everyone's trading the same. W. Let it cook. Oh man, I feel so bad. There was a guy at the start. He was the 5th person to comment, and then Madlord said, "Oh, dude, you're the 5th person. That means you get timed out." And then I had to time him out because it just seemed like the right thing to do. So you got to be careful if you're the 5th person to comment. Why are you looking at longs opposed to shorts? I mean, shorts, I don't want to really trade within this range, right? We've got a level of support here. Maybe a break below that, but I don't really want to trade within this range. I will, maybe, but I don't want to. Hey, this is Dan from Atomic. Oh. Extremely professional call. I hope you guys aren't scaring some of the new guys and girls. What leverage did Prop XP give you? Enough. More than you could want. Did you go on a data site and you're looking fly? No, I'm just, you know, sometimes I just lay around the house in a sweaty football jersey, just perched up. Nah, I'm just chilling. I've got to dress up for the boys. Oh yeah, Madlord, I actually banned him. Only for 10 seconds, but I seen he came back. Goal, there you are. Goal, you're fine now, bro. It was a joke. I'm sorry, bro. Catch the sell yesterday? I mean, I don't think anyone did. I was looking for a breakout and then it just, yeah. There's going to be certain people in the chat, I caught it. What up, Hems? Hembrow. Oh, what's this? Oh, Keefe, you passed 350Ks yesterday? Nice. W. What up, Costas? Where's the barbecue? Yeah. Nah, we're just sizzling here. Why don't you show graph? It's on YouTube right now. I'm live on YouTube. It's too risky with Tiki. How can I learn? Just start on Google, brother. Start Googling shit. That'd be the best place to start for sure. Did you get officially rejected by Tory Trades? No. That's the thing. It's not a rejection until they actually reply or they block you or call the police. And none of that has happened yet. So I think we're all good still. Yeah, they do, Nori. Nor. How many left on the wait list? I don't know, actually. That's a good point. Yeah, so let's have a look here. What's the range below this point here, you guys? To this level? Maybe. I might put that there for now, but I don't hold your breath. No. Anyone been watching NQ? Did any of you guys in the mentorship catch any trades today? Like any actual... Oh, I guess a couple of you guys got cooked on them impulse buys. Which market is best? I'm working on binary. I don't know. Try non-binary. I don't know. Why do I keep losing my eval whenever I'm halfway to go? Because psychology gets in the way. You start to imagine all the shit instead of just showing up and trading. No. It's every day, bro. No, she hasn't read the comment. Any other traders yet to do a podcast with? Nah, but I'm thinking about who could we ask to come on the live stream, you guys, as like a trader guest? I used to watch you all the time, haven't for a while, and have come back recently. Your growth is incredible to see. Thank you, bro, or girl. Thank you, Brell? No, appreciate it, appreciate it. It's every day, bro. It's every day, bro, with the Jake Paul flow. Did you guys know that Jake Paul got voted the #1 rapper in the world based on pure lyricism? So yeah, let's see what happens here. London Open, you guys. I mean, what's this sell looking like? Nearly a sell opportunity. If this didn't wick down so far and close small body green, I would have taken impulse. So. Brother, which is the best way to trade in gold? Just however, whatever strategy you use. Who wants to get nerfed? If she calls the police on you, that's a good sign, bro. Oh man, that's fucked. Wow, Mitch. Hey, here's the other thing, you guys. Lock in, because this is like, isn't this just so fucking funny with trading? Like, you're gonna have, check this out, you guys, especially price action traders I'm talking to, which is most people. You're gonna have weeks and months where there's like 3 to 4 clean setups a day. And then you have weeks and months where it's like, it's just not there. Your moves aren't there. This week in particular is like the most red folder week of all weeks. We've got jolts tonight. FOMC later, tomorrow. Unemployment claims the next day. And then non-farm payroll. Like, bruh, strap in. This is gonna be a hectic week. Strap in and bring your best strap on, honestly, because this is wild. Are you in Dubai? Yes. Habibi! I'm in Habibi land. Habibi, come to Dubai. Nah, I'm still naked today. I haven't taken anything today. Join the voice call tonight, Dan, and get nerfed at the door. Yeah, I try and join the call and then I just get fully nerfed. Doey! Doey has risen from the dead after 10 years. I hope you're doing well. It's been a hot second. Hey Daniel, does Prop XP operate in Uganda? No. Oh, you operate as in can you get that shit in Uganda? Yeah. Oh, I don't know. Try. There's only one way to find out. 50% off there. D-Wizzle. Habibi, welcome to Abu Dhabi. I'm not in Abu Dhabi, but I wouldn't mind going to Abu Dhabi just to say what up. Go watch the UFC there or something. They had the UFC there on the weekend. It completely slid by my mind. I wanted to go watch. I will full Marge next SIG. No. It's been a rocky month, guys. I've been closing my other businesses with... Oh. To go all in with this. Oh. Okay. Bro, is the fake out set up? I mean, fake out, I don't know. Yeah, no, nothing. It's just chilling. It's just doing anything. A fake out to me would be like if it came up here and actually closed, like 15-minute time frame, actually closed like this. And the next one, like it would have to like really kind of break out and then close back in the range. That to me would be more of a fake out with no top wick either. Like little to no top wick. Just completely reject and then close back in the range. And then maybe the next one retest and then starts flipping back down. That's like, oh yeah, there's a complete fake out type shit. I saw you with Raja Banks. Yes. Oh, somebody asked yesterday, which bank is Raja Bank? No, where's Raja Bank? Where's Raja Bank? Do they have many branches around? I thought that was really funny. Dang, wish you the best, Doey. Yeah, Doey, you're a girl. Do you know, can you hook us up with Tory trades? off that resistance. I mean, it looked nice in the 1 hour, but yeah, I don't know. Oh, NQ just looked choppy as hell when I looked at it before. Yeah, like what the fuck? I don't want to play with NQ. This is like weird as hell. Fuck that. Do you guys want to be stuck in a trade within this? If you entered a trade here, you'd be stuck in it for like 4 hours. You'd just be using your entry as a support and resistance. Wow, look at this on gold. I had a feeling this was going to happen, to be honest. Like I was surprised. Like, what's the probability of it, you know, doing this and then just being like, oh yeah. Like this indicates like massive, like, this is more than just like a pullback or anything. This is like the value of gold is dropping massively. Appreciate you, Vanguard. I know people that know Tori. If you do, tell her that we're trying to slide in her DMs for professional purposes only. Like, we want her on the stream. We want her on the stream. Silver's dumping as well. Wow, okay. Not sure where we'll go. Yeah, London sessions have been poo. But the good news here is that, why are you worried, bro? What? The good news here is that, no, we haven't had a ton of volume in Asia, so we might be cooking up now for London. We could get a play here on London for once in a lifetime. Dan, do you trade Bitcoin? No, but I like to look at it sometimes. I do like to look at Bitcoin. Yeah, there you go. I just looked at it. What's these 4 hours doing on Forex? Wow. Coming back down now. Does the 4 hour look similar on futures? No. No. I have messaged you. Why? Why? There's a very low chance that anything that you have said in that message is going to be enough for something interesting. If you really think about it. Not being a dick, but like literally, let's be logical. Jamil, what up? Oh yeah, I just do lines and shit on Bitcoin just because for a bit of fun. Like more just channels. Like you see Bitcoin just kind of respects these channels a bit, and then when it breaks out, it retests and fucking whatever. It's no big deal. Every day, bro. Oh, we had a conversation recently. Okay, I'll have a look after, bro. Apparently if there's a tariff and gold. Yeah, who knows? Marima. Hi Dan, you are my favorite character from the wheel. You guys, aren't you sus on the fact that all these agencies keep trying to scare us with this idea of an alien invasion? Why does every article say that? Why can't it just be like there's some strange formation out in the universe that has entered our galaxy that we don't really understand? Why is it alien invasion expected in November? Like, hey guy, did you chat with the aliens? Said, yeah, look man, and then they decoded it and it said fucking we're coming in November. Bro, you AI. No! Do I look AI? I'm sick of people saying that. This is my birth certificate. Does AI have birth certificates? Exactly. If I make it to Bali, can you autograph my... Yeah, Bali sounds good on at September. Fake cert, bro. David AI funding. David trades. Anybody that knows Prometheus? Is it Prometheus or Alien, where the AI robot dude's name's David? Dork fact 3000. Bro, please stop. Stop posting that, bro. I'm gonna block you. On your vids, you look real, but right now you look AI. I was thinking about that today, actually, because if I were like, pretend that I'm a robot, I'd be like, I am a robot, and speak like that. Kids these days don't know robots in that way. Kids these days know robots being AI, which is like just normal. Isn't that funny? Like that concept that like old heads, unks like myself are the only one that's gonna recognize. If I said to my niece, I am a robot, she'd be like, what? AI's a robot, and they're like really good. Anyway. I mean, might take a buy here, we'll see. Oh, a big wick. ChatGPT, sir. The African Americans. What up, Michael? Do you want a template workflow that scrapes all the market's news daily? No. The only news I care about is red folder news. Actually, you know what I might? Nah, I don't really care. It's so rare that like a random news event hits that makes the market do something. It doesn't. Nah, it's all good. I appreciate that though. Why can't the news just be a thick alien landed? Yeah, like, oh no, alien invasion in November, full of thick Latinas. It'd be like, oh shit, get inside, guys. And then I'll be out there like, don't abduct me. And they start probing you. Yeah, so we'll see, guys. We'll see. At this stage, the cleanest range is break below. If we create some range here, maybe something. Well, that'd be a nice graph. Trump announced tariffs. Yeah, I did hear about that. Shem went on a kissing date. People have been saying it for years. You know Project Bluebeam? Which is like the elite's next big move to pretend an alien invasion. And everyone, if we didn't learn from the cough cough scenario, if an alien invasion came down, the world went into a massive crisis, the government said, we've got buses, everyone jump on the buses, we're taking you to this camp. I've seen this before. Yeah, I'll happily just get probed. I don't give a fuck. I'm not doing anything the government said. Last time a massive crisis went down the world, the government shit the bed bad and made us do all a bunch of shit that was so unnecessary. So they've lost my trust. Can we please just talk about the political and economical state of the world? Bro! Why have you moved your sell order below? Because if I were to sell below here now, I run straight into this structure right here. And that range has already been filled now. Right? There's no clean traffic now. I'm going to have to sell below here. Maybe a buy above. Like maybe if this can hang out where it is now and the next one, you know, there's 30 pips of range there. Aliens are a problem. What up, Trish? Good to see you. Cashy. Yeah, we've got 6 minutes for this 30-minute candle to close as well. It's wicking down. Trust me, bro, the government are legit. Rashid, what up, bro? Jordan? I might be interested in a buy if this can reject up. The 30's kind of wicking out. 15's closing pretty strong back in what seems to be a pretty clear direction. Like, it does seem this range up here is so naked. You got to ask yourself, what's the probability that it at least fill a bit of it and then come back down? I don't know. I'm not against buys. What up, Marwa Breathwork? Nelson, this is gold. Endog. Oh, look at fucking NQ. Always seeing your lives to learn. Patience is key. Learn that from your lives. It's working. Nice, Jordan. Yeah, I was just saying before, you're going to be much better off not taking a trade than losing a trade. Right? Thoughts on remote viewing? I don't know. I'm a bit sus on it. I understand that the CIA even pay high-level guys to do it for a long period of time, but some of the shit they say, it's like, okay, bro, you're traveling back 1,000,000 years to fucking remote view Mars and you found out Bob was there. It's just a bit too far. I'm a conspiracy head, but that's a bit too much. But I mean, if he's getting paid by the CIA for 20 years, there must be something there. There must be something there, I guess. A lot of fake profiles using your name, yeah. Yep. Iverson, what up, bro? Bro, bears are terrifying, Jason. Bears are so scary, man. Gold, you reckon it will drop? I have no idea, bro. I'm voting for Europa. Fuck. Thoughts about using ChatGPT to develop a bot? Like a trading bot? I mean, if you're talking about a trading bot, probably not a good idea, but some other bot, maybe. What up, Jack? Yeah, doing amazing, bro. Just looking at some potential here on gold. Might take a buy here. I like how the 30's kind of rejecting, like the 30's closing hammer. If we were to get a nice steep wick on this next candle and then flip, I might be interested in taking a buy. Stop would have to go under the wick. Little nasty trading in this range, but gold has seemed to move relatively smooth through it. It hasn't been like, yeah, we'll see. We've got 3 minutes for this candle to close. I kind of don't want to take that. I'd rather take a breakout, but we'll see. If it twists my arm, I might have to. Yesterday's session was rough. Did you manage to get anything? No, I got a little NQ trade, but that's about it. Yeah, not a ton of setups. It's all good. And don't expect a ton of setups this week as well. It's the red folder week. We've got casino day on Friday with NFP and yeah. Really, Shem? Let's have a look at silver. $4 hour. Wow. Silver's doing something. Silver is a fucking problem. Wow, what an interesting couple of months that we've been here trading gold, right? This is why, because gold's always done this, right? It's always moved up. How are you going to deal? The way that I trade it actually works with us, but it's just harder to get the cleaner setups where we've technically been in consolidation for 3 months. All right, you can still get plays, but you get more opportunities when we're moving in a trend, obviously, but all good. Casino day tomorrow? Nah, not for me. Yeah, not for me, personally. Oh my God, I trained abs 2 days ago and they're still so sore. Cool story, bro. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen on YouTube, TikTok. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen on TikTok, YouTube. Now that's okay, Cody. So the thing is, if you learn in harder market conditions, when it comes into like trend conditions, you're already fucking ahead of the game. Do you guys realize when COVID hit, a lot of traders that were crushing it with the big volume and the big trends and everything crashing on COVID, they made a lot of money. And then when the market settled down, they just lost their money because they only knew how to sell. Sell, sell, sell. Everything's moving. You're basically favored if you just click sell. Then when the market settled down and started moving up, they all went broke. So if you learn in hard conditions, like you want to get hard, you want to learn in you're going to be set up for the future. Okay, so look at this. It failed to close higher, meaning this could be looked at as support for an impulse move down. Not an impulse move that I want to be a part of, but just kind of hold it there to allow it to move down more smoothly. What did NQ do? 30-minute breakout, pushed up here with little to no top wick. Wow, NQ just fucking moves, doesn't it? It just keeps going up. Do you think it's a good idea to use AI to help on trades? No. Very bad idea. Very bad idea. Yeah, you don't want to use AI to ChatGPT to help you take trades. What actions did you take to become profitable? Brother, it's... Obviously you went through the losses and the shit phase. And then I was just sticking to my rules. That's all. Most people here could be profitable if they just stuck to the rules. And you gotta understand, you're not gonna get the instant gratification. There's gonna be days where you don't take trades. There's gonna be days where you lose trades. There's gonna be days where you crush it. The days where you're crushing it are actually more dangerous. Because you start to think that you're him, over risking, over leveraging. Oh, I've got this much to lose anyway. I'll just take this subpar trade. And whatever happens in your trading journey, career, there's a new set of psychological challenges. I used to feel itchy if I don't get a trade. Thanks to you, now I learn to be more. Yeah, that's awesome, Jason. I was the same, bro. I used to think, you guys, like I genuinely used to think, just like I used to think when I had a shower, back when I was a kid, I used to think the only reason you had showers was to condition your hair, like put conditioner. I didn't even shampoo it. I've never said that out loud. I used to think that was the only reason kids had showers. So just like I used to think that, I used to think if I show up to the chart, I have to take a trade. Like that's the reason why I'm here. I have to trade, right? And that's wrong. Your job is to show up, see if your playbook setup arises, and if it doesn't, walk away. Yep, that's right, Tyron. Bro, we cook, we don't have the bridge signal. I know, yeah. Yes, news impacts gold, that's right. What's a show? Why can it be a bad idea? I mean, you can learn from ChatGPT, use ChatGPT to learn basics and stuff like that. But if you're using ChatGPT to determine whether you should take a trade or not, that's a bad idea. Yeah, you need the humanist. You need to have a strategy that you know. Uno. It took time to build a strategy and my emotions guaranteed it would. Yeah. Sometimes it's so hard to walk away without taking a trade. Yeah, and that's where you have to like reprogram your mind into thinking, what am I actually doing here? Is your job to come up here? My job's not here to trade. My job's to show up and then potentially take a playbook setup if it arises. It's not to trade. It's just to show up. And if your thing comes, then you press the button. Yeah, we don't have this. We don't have the bridge, Paul. Biggest problem is staying patient every day. Yep. That's everyone. That's 95% of traders. Thank you, Hatham. Took an L, cut the loss in half. Good stuff. Baby Q Bad Bunny with the freaking signals. Yeah. Natural scent. The term fund management, yeah. Just imagine that somebody has access to the back end of your account and they're watching your trades and you have to explain it at the end of every day as to why you took the trade, as if you were on a trading floor. Has everyone liked the live session? Yeah, have you guys dropped a thumbs up for the stream, gang? Can we get to 100 likes over here? Is that humanly possible? To get to 100 likes here on YouTube. See the video of Grant Cardone flaming this guy for wearing cologne? Oh, for fuck's sake. I love gurus and their fucking random shit. Oh, I seen one the other day. Yeah, it's just funny. Everyone's trying to manipulate time and shit. What time do you usually trade every day? I mean, 4 a.m. and 11 a.m. my time, Asia and London. Yep, that's right, Jason. So we'll see here, you guys. Let's see, man. We've been in this consolidation range. Yeah, a lot of, I can't even, do you understand how many trillions and billions of retail got cooked here? Everyone was waiting for that. Needed to trade away emotions, took years, yeah. What up, GBK? That's right, yep. What's the strat? Just price action trading. Yeah, just waiting for breakouts and bounces off key levels. Or the setup of a key level and then... Hope you're well. Did you have a mentor or someone who helped you massively with your trading? Yeah, I started getting mentored by Raja and then I did go around the world and do a bunch of different shit. I never had a mentor. I just bought courses and shit. That's why I wasted so much time. Yeah, I wish I had a mentor. Like if I could do it all again, it's just like if you were trying to start a fitness journey, you would go hire a fitness coach to do your nutrition, do your training, keep you accountable. And because I was a bodybuilding coach for many years and a PT and all this kind of shit. So I help people get ready for stage. And there was a clear difference between people that tried to start and do the bodybuilding competition preparation by themselves, which is pretty rare, or those that chose to get a coach to do everything for them and guide them and set the fucking nutrition. This is this and that. It's the same with trading. It's just going to speed the process up. What do you do for fun? Bitches. I don't care about fun. Yeah, I have zero interest in having fun right now. That's actually a genuine answer. I don't care about fun at all. All I care about is just getting everything set up for massive success so I can have a family and make sure they're all secure. Bro, I have a few Tory lines in my do carnivore with me? I don't know. The fake gurus don't help beginners with unrealistic expectations. Maybe. I'm so out of tune with what the gurus are doing in the game that I don't even know what people are doing these days. Yeah. Carolina! I hope you're doing well. Thank you, thank you. Do a Raja impression. That's not what you got to do. Just want to do today. Dominican markets. Raja just blew a 50k account. Oh no, no, no. Want to do today. That's all that you got to do. If you just want to trade today. How old is you? Too old. Hey bro, I can pass an eval and then when I'm funded, I seem to blow it up. Yeah, that's most people. Because it goes from a game to I can make money here. I'm gonna pull money out of this. I'm gonna do the money thing, and so your psychology completely changes. The number one goal should always simply be, is this a good trade? Who cares about money? Who cares about bitches? Who cares about Lambos? Is this a good trade? Then the mentor says, how long have you been trading for? Does that mean 6? No, just general. Like, how long have you been in the game for? Big Dillawa, what up, brother? Yeah, I understand that, H2 Vok. I understand that, and there's not much thought I can put into that in terms of my strategy. Because if I sat here, I understand what's happening here, you guys, which is we're in a channel of this, right? But there's nothing that I can't really look at that and like, it doesn't serve me, right? If anything, it just starts to play with my head. When I teach in the course content and the way that we trade is, we look at the chart horizontally, right? Which is just on a flat basis. We don't worry about trends and shit like that. We look at it in sections. And right now, the section is here. If we break out of this section, the next section is fucking here. Okay, cool, but what if we break below? Sick. There's the next section here. So we look at it on a basis like that. Right? Yes, I'm Dubai based. Yes, that's right. Yep. I mean, I've got a website where I teach it all. Just go to danielholmestrades.com, but it's only for like serious people. Like, it's a mentorship, right? It's a full Shimano. Bro, if you and Tori had a baby, it would be superhuman trader. Bro, fuck getting your kid into trading. It's too stressful. Get him into working on the corner or something. Joking. So we'll see. We'll see you guys. Oh, GBK, it's fine. Like, I'm just talking about the way that I trade. There's nothing wrong with looking at the market like that. Your theme contains uncomfortable, like alcohol, tobacco. Oh my God, TikTok! Get a sense of humor! I guess saying that I'm putting my kid on the street to work is somehow bad. Bruh. TikTok, I'm going to continue this on YouTube. If you want to come over to YouTube, I'm live on YouTube right now. You can see the full chart. I'll catch you over there now. Daniel Holmes Trades, same name as my TikTok name. TikTok's on some bitch shit, honestly, man. JL, you can't, bro. Trust me, man. You need human intuition, human touch. You need human touch. Yeah, you need the human caressing touch. Brother, you're doing really great. I really want to give you some money. Yeah, give me a dono. Do a dono. Someone dono me. I need to pay for all of my accounts. Whoa, NQ's breaking all-time highs. I mean, that's the thing with NQ. Look, there'll be no volume and then all of a sudden just see ya. It's like, all right. I mean, what a crazy thing NQ is. Look at it. Wild. Yep, there goes. Pops all-time highs just there. Just popped all-time highs. Unbelievable. Imagine taking an NQ long position when the tariffs came. You mean all trades you manage? Well, it's not just that I manage it, but I'm watching it. I make decisions on the spot based on small movements within the candle, right? It's not just automatic. Perry. Yes. Dono. I'm rich. I'm rich. I need that back. Fuck. Holy. I mean, wow. Just NQ just has no chill. NQ has no chill. Chill is non-existent. Chill is a thing of the past. What if I told you I impulse bought NQ? I would believe that. Sign up to the waitlist. Nice, Jack. Awesome, brother. Awesome, man. W. Yeah, you guys can, if anyone that, like serious traders, like people that are serious about this, definitely apply, man. Definitely. Gold's flying. Gold is absolutely flying. Did you get favored, Cody? Do you know why you took that trade? FOMO. You know that rush that takes over your body? It's not you, bro. You're not you when you're hungry. You're not you when you're FOMO. Check the Discord, okay. $3,000? Oh man, what are we gonna do with you, man? Yeah, trust me, it'll get taken back. Unfortunately, it will get taken back. Yeah, it will get taken back. Are you in Diriyah, Dubai? I'm in Dubai, yeah, in Marina. Oh, nice, John. Awesome, bro. What's your one-on-one coaching fee? A lot. Yeah, it's a lot. For some people, I guess. Yeah, I'll put this free Discord. Any of you guys that are interested in joining the free Discord community here, tap in. I'll pin it here in the YouTube chat. So I'm going to see if gold can push up to this level here. I'm going to see if gold can push up to this level here. I'll never go skydiving. No. One of my friends went skydiving and he goes, man, like halfway down, I was like, now this is just kind of gay. I'm just got like a dude strapped to my back. He's like, I wasn't even like, I didn't have like adrenaline or anything. I was like, oh, halfway down, now you're just on a date with a dude. I thought that was the funniest shit ever. I don't know, Mitch. I don't know. Yeah, right. Yeah, maybe a buy here if this can close here. We've still got 7 minutes to go. That's the best part. Fuck. 1 sec. Yeah, we'll see how this candle closes, man. We'll see how this candle closes. One skydiving jump as a gift. Yeah, I can't. Skydiving, man. I don't know. Y'all are crazy. Another exhilarating London session, so we'll see. We'll see, man. Yeah, we're gonna have to see. Yeah, hour closure, nice. Yeah, if this can stay how it is, I'm gonna take a buy. You've got, 24 pips. Feels like it's not even moving sometimes. I know. Yes, exactly, Shem. Hold your hands in the air. God damn it. Swaggy dive. Swaggy D. The best loser wins, Ross. The best loser wins. Two boys can't be zesty in the air. I'm gonna win. Yeah, 100%, and you're gonna be him, bro. Is that why you guys took this one, Pez? Because of this candle? Yeah, new 1 hour as well. Oh yeah, gotcha. Yeah, it ran very aggressive after that. It might have given you a bit of... Oh no, it did drop. It dropped. Yeah. Not a pip in profit. Nice. Yeah, those are the fun ones. Yeah, those are the fun ones. Hey, gold, stop. Stop right there, you motherfucker. I demand you to stop. You shall not push. Bro, how long do you plan to stand by? Forever? Although one of my mates was kind of like, man, you might as well like live in between Bali and Dubai. Like, it's not like you have to stay there. I was like, that's a good point. Man, we can't, if this candle keeps moving, it's cooking us, because the idea is to take the buy at the break of the current, but if it's too close to the resistance, then you haven't got enough range. I agree, Steve. Yeah, 30 minute type 2. The 1 hour looks nice. There's like a rejection there, holding a bit of flipping here. The 15's kind of looking pretty nice for it as well, holding bullish. Got to let it breathe here for a sec. I have to ask a little bit more from this. I want a bit more of a steeper wick. If it can flip a bit, if it can break its own bottom wick here one more time, I'll put a buy stop in. Yeah, good call, Tyler. Definitely a good call. It's not the best setup. You don't want to be trading in these fucking shitty ranges, man. Want to wait for a new 1 hour bottom wick? Yeah, definitely. Yep. Yes, sir. If you're trading within a range and it's already a sketchy kind of range, you definitely want to ask a bit more for it. Not enough room. Yeah, there's not much room. This is a D minus setup. Nah, I'm not too mad at it. Well, there it goes. My stop loss was going to be below the current candle wick. That's why I needed a bit more of a wick. That's why I needed a bit more of a wick. See if we can break above. Yeah, that's the move I was kind of trying to be a part of, but just didn't give me a little. I just needed it to break its bottom wick one more time. That's all. NQ massively rejecting, is it? No, that's alright. Alright, we'll see if we get this breakout. Because my idea in my head was this to happen. It to break out and then I could hold and add. Oh, Mitch, you got it? Alright, fair enough. Fair enough, my dude. Yes, a 1 hour breakout here would be very nice. Just hit your TP. Okay, some of you guys end up taking that. Fair enough. I just had to ask a little bit more from it personally. That's all. Yep. Especially the fact that it was a new 1 hour. These are my favorite scenarios when you do get a type 2 within a range like this and it breaks out and then you can take a type 1 and you can add to your position. Beautiful scenarios. Respect for asking more of it. Always. Yeah, especially with new 1 hour candles, you do find that they want to kind of flip around a little bit. Cody, all you asked from NQ was nothing. You had no fucking questions for NQ. I'll leave you with some bars. We are paid to wait, observers. Intention to make money become expectations to make money. Yeah, the difference between the intention and the expectation, for sure. Nice, Pez. Yeah, I got to jump on some calls and stuff here, so I need this candle to hurry up. Oh, yeah, Pez, he doing? Yeah, he said he's doing one for New York. Yeah, nice. Yeah, now we'll see. We'll see if gold can hold above this level. I'm not too mad at the fact that this is pushed all the way from here because this is such a key level. I think if we get a closure above and a retest, it's going to go regardless. But, you know, it could just go as well. Yeah, what a shame that we just didn't get that bottom wick one more time. Right? What a shame. But I know through past data that if you take a trade too early on a new 1 hour candle, statistically you get cooked. Yeah, you got a ton of clean traffic. Even if it overextends, just wait for the pullback. And the pullback could come in the form of closed candles as well. The pullback could definitely come in the form of closed candles. We're really good at catching these pullbacks like this. And then the impulse on the next one. Take the impulse there, ride it up to this range. Yeah, I don't mean the retest in that sense. I mean the retest in closed candles. But we'll see. Oh yeah, nice, Sylvia. Yeah, 4 hours starting to pop here. What's 4 hour on gold doing? Yeah, starting to move up. Yeah, that was kind of a good entry there. Unfortunately, just a little bit impulsive there. Would you have held? No, I would have took size off here and then looked to add to it. I would have had 15% running. Type 1 on NQ? Bro, NQ is in space. It's too overextended. Like, it's not familiar price action. Definitely not on a funded. I think the best trade's going to be this gold. I think the best trade's going to be gold to Set us up a type 2 as it retests this level. Buy or sell, fuck. What up, Az? Oh, man. The famous quote that we need to get tattooed on us. Yeah, so at this stage, it's going to look like it's some waiting for some sort of pullback. If it wants to do that, or if it wants to just keep going, I don't know. What happened to TikTok? I don't know. They always ban me, so I just God, there's no chill. Yeah, this could fully fill this range now. You might not even get a fucking setup. I'm gonna call it there, you guys. I've got to jump on some calls and stuff, but I think the best play moving forward is going to be waiting for some sort of pullback and then just catch it on the way back up. It's just too impulsive now. Impulsively moved. The best play is just to see if it can retest this level around here somewhere, and then just try and catch it on the way back up or something. Yeah, I think that's the best play. So I'm going to watch a bit off stream and see if something like that happens. Can't complain with that, Mitch, for sure. Easy, gang. Appreciate you guys. I'll catch up with you guys in London tomorrow. Alhamdulillah. See you guys.